Alright guys, welcome back. This is where we left off in one of our previous chapters where we have this calling contract and that was importing the callable contract. Callable contract had this getScore function which we were calling from the calling contract in line 15. So here you can see you're making an instance of the callable contract in line 14 using the full implementation of the callable contract here. But you don't really need the full implementation if you have the address where the contract was deployed. All you need is a signature of the contract. So that signature is called an interface, and let's show you how it works. We will make interface here of the callable contract. Call it interface, call it I callable. As I mentioned before, interface is just a signature of the contract. What that means is this: I do not have to implement the function itself. All I have to do is write the signature of the function. So call it function getScore, and the signature of the function is all of this: external view returns event. And that should be it. I don't have to implement the function. Now going back to the calling.sol, I don't have to call the actual contract. I can actually call the callable contract callable, and that should give the same result as before. Now let's try and compile it, then we will try and deploy it. Going to callable calling contract. It compiled without any errors. Now let's get rid of old deployments. First, I will deploy the callable contract because I will still need the address of it. That got deployed, and then I will deploy the calling contract. There we go. Here we are, calling contract. We need the address of the callable contract. Copy it, address, and then we can call external, which is this. Check the address has been set, and then we can call external, which is set to 20. So this interface worked without actually referencing to the entire contract. Just the signature of the contract worked as long as we had this address. This is how you would use interface. This is it for this chapter.